So it's been a week since I haven't started this girl. Little 2002 GMC Sonoma. The all-terrain tires. You know what I mean? It's been a week since I started it up. Today I tried to start it up and it won't start. Battery's dead. And later on today I'm gonna try to start her up. See if she wants to start or not. I'm gonna see if I have to go get a battery or not sure. But she's a 2002 GMC Sonoma with the straight pipe coming down the side. It's a 2.2 liter, 4-cylinder, 5-speed. Yes, sir. See what happens later on when I try to start her. Oh yeah, my antenna, extra 3 horsepower right there, you know. Yep. See what happens later.